Sunnyside English.
ABC Alphabet Fun Song. Welcome to Penny Pencil class. Let's learn the English alphabet together.
Alphabet from A to Z. Sing it loud, sing it free. A is for apple, B is for ball, C is for cat. We're learning it all. Sing it loud, sing it free. D is for dog, E is for egg, F is for fish. Keep moving ahead. Sing it loud, sing it free. G is for goat, H is for hat, I is for ice cream. How fun is that? Sing it loud, sing it free. J is for jump, K is for kite, L is for lion. Shout it with delight. Sing it loud, sing it free. M is for moon, N is for nest, O is for octopus. This is the best. Sing it loud, sing it free. P is for pizza, Q is for queen, R is for rainbow, the brightest we've seen. Sing it loud, sing it free. S is for sun, T is for tree, U is for umbrella, it's as fine as can be. Sing it loud, sing it free. V is for violin, W is for wave, X is for x-ray. Be curious and brave. Sing it loud, sing it free. Y is for yo-yo, Z is for zoo, and now we know it too. Sing it loud, sing it free. It's so fun, the alphabet from A to Z.
Hooray! You learned the English alphabet today.